Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday morning. I want to welcome you guys to the live stream. Welcome you guys to the channel. If it is your first time here, guys, I just want to welcome you guys. We do Forex live trading, do live streams every single morning. So we are here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. So if you're looking to take your trading to a whole new level, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. Yeah. How about you guys? But I'm ready to kill the markets. I'm ready, guys. All right, guys. So we're gonna begin shortly. Please bear with me. Just updating some video descriptions here, and then we will begin shortly. So thank you so much for joining. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. Really do. Yesterday's live stream we did pre-London was really helpful. I saw that you guys were understanding a good amount of the concepts that I was explaining and stuff, so that's good, guys. That's good. So we're just going to begin shortly, guys. Welcome. All right, guys. We're just gonna start here. We've got Adam. Hi, Pedro. Hey, welcome, brother. Welcome. Excited to have you guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you enjoy these live streams. I really appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel and helps me continue doing what I'm doing. Let's go. Let's go. We've got Venkata. Venkata, welcome. Hi. What about gold? Good evening. What about gold, sir? Yeah, we'll take a look at gold for sure. Just stick. Make sure you stick around. We're just waiting for a couple more people to join us, and I'm just finishing this video description. So we're going to begin shortly, guys. So thank you so much. Excited to have you here. welcome, welcome. Good morning, guys. Welcome. So we're going to begin. Thank you so much for joining. So one of the main things I want to look at here, we're going to take a look at gold right now. Do you guys remember I mentioned with gold, I said, guys, gold is probably going to range most likely, which is kind of what we got. I saw gold ranging. I said that in my previous live stream. I said, as long as we don't break out above this level of structure, so this high, you see that high right here, we're just going to be stuck ranging. That's why I created this box and it's longer, because this is the 15-minute, right? So I am expecting gold to go higher. I'm expecting gold to retest these highs over here. I'm just waiting for some sort of a slight breakout confirmation. So I would say probably for gold, so we're on the 15-minute right now. So I would like to see probably buys above this level here. Level structure here for buys. You see, the thing is, this is also level here. This is a pretty strong level. So yeah, I'd say look for buys above this level here. So we got to break this double top above this double top here for clean buys. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, guys. We've got Adult Hoodie. Welcome, Adult Hoodie. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Welcome. Yeah, we've got more USD news, PPI. We had the GBP news. Make sure you guys stick around because I do have a trade that I'm going to go over that we were looking at on our live stream last night pre-London, and it went in our favor. So I'm going to show you exactly what I saw, guys. Make sure you guys stick around. All right, guys. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking at for gold. Gold is just ranging right now. Kind of holds this level of support here. This is the 5-minute, and we get a break above this level. Then we're looking for nice clean buys for gold. About 74 pip move. Do a 20 pip stop. Something of that nature, like that. Welcome, guys. Got a couple more people joining us. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting for gold. But we need to see gold hold this level of support again. Like I said, gold will probably range in this area here. And so we saw a continuation of price just ranging and holding, and sideways consolidation. So we didn't see obviously a breakout yesterday or anything like that. So I did mention this to you guys, even on the 4-hour. You can see it is holding a level of support, which is good. But I am expecting probably a break above and some sort of a pullback to this level. 4-hour is still a little bit undecided, so we got to see what happens. 30 minutes. Yeah, so we got to see if price is going to hold this level here of support. If price fails to hold this level of support, we're looking for sells. See how much of a move we have here from here to here. Got 37 pips. So yeah, so we'd have to see what's going to happen. So we'll see what move gold does, and I will keep you guys in the loop. If gold doesn't respect this this level here, then we're looking for clean sells pretty much below this level here. No, right here. Sells. Yep. All right, do you guys see what I'm seeing? That's kind of what I'm looking at right now for gold. Let me know in the chat box, guys, if you guys understand exactly what I'm explaining here, what you guys see. You guys understanding that? Welcome, welcome. We've got Franklin LeBoy here. Franklin LeBoy, welcome. Welcome to the family. I'm expecting a fall. Why do you think it's going to rise? Because it's holding a level of support. So, Chetan, welcome. So, my personal opinion here, what I see is if it fails to hold this level of support, then we're looking for sells. That's why I said sell setups below this level of structure, and then buy potential setups as a pullback to these highs over here. And then if we see weakness in the market, then I'm expecting to sell. So the thing is, if we look at the higher time frame, we are at a higher, excuse me. So if you look at the higher time frame, we are at a major level of support. Okay. So for price to sell, even if we go to the daily, for price to sell right now, it's going to take a lot. Right. But I don't know if you guys remember my previous live stream from yesterday. I also said could see price doing something like this. So if we look at the 4 hour, sorry, actually the daily, if gold fails to hold this level of support, so I want to focus on this here. If gold fails to hold this level of support, we're looking for sells for sure, 100%. Because to me, this is starting to look like a bearish flag. Okay. And let me clear the charts here just so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So I explained this in my previous live stream here, guys. This is what I'm looking at. Obviously, everyone looks at the market differently, but this is kind of what I'm seeing on the daily, right? So it seems like we broke below slightly. And so if price fails to hold this level of support around here, this area, then I'm looking for sells for gold. Otherwise, it's just looking like it's holding support because we are at a major level of support. If we look at the 4 hour, we are currently looking at the 4 hour. This is a major level of support for gold. Look at the history, right? So price has rejected this level multiple times. You can see it here. I've cleaned the charts for you guys so you guys could see, right? It is a level of significance. Even if we move it a tad bit higher here, let's move it a tad bit higher to this level here. Price has rejected this level multiple times, okay? So yeah, that's something that I am considering, guys. Like, I'm not saying, remember guys, trading is all about probabilities. No one's got the right or wrong answer. What we want to see is all the possible scenarios that price could be heading towards, and kind of go from there. Anyways, okay, so Chetan, good morning. Welcome, Chetan. Franklin LeBoy. Yeah, your point is valid. Yes. Welcome, Franklin. Welcome to the family. Not sure if you're already part of the family, but welcome. If you guys understood the explanation, smash that like button for me. I appreciate it. It does support the channel, guys, and it helps me create this content and be able to provide all these live streams every single day for you guys. So I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, as you guys know. So 6:30 a.m. Chetan, can you please check GU? I think it's consolidating near resistance. Yeah, absolutely, man. We'll take a look at GU. Also, guys, I did save. I want to show you guys something. This is really, really crazy. GBP, JPY. So GJ. You guys remember this? Before we left the live stream, I said, guys, my overall sentiment, we are on the 4 hour daily. Look at the daily. We are ranging within this area here. So the market is currently ranging. But I told you guys, we are at the high of the range. So I'm expecting GJ melt. And then I said, we're at this higher level. And so price needs to exhaust, especially after a push like this. Price needs to exhaust and pull back. So it did exactly as I predicted last night. So if we look at we're at the 1 hour right now. Look at my arrow, guys. Look at this arrow I had set up since last live stream. The last live stream I left last night before going to bed, guys. I came on live with you guys here in the flesh, and I told you guys, hey, listen, I think GJ is gonna melt, and it melted exactly as I predicted, guys. You guys could see everything was there. So if you guys look here, Let's take a look here. So yeah, so you guys could see this move. Look at this move here. So you guys with me? You guys with me? All right, so I'm gonna just turn down my music here for a sec. So check this out, guys. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple new members joining the family, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button. I appreciate it. It supports the channel. I'm here live every day for you guys, so let's get it. All right, guys, so let's take a look here. You've got the video from last live stream from yesterday. So take a look at this, guys. This is insane. Let me just turn on my music because this deserves for us to listen to what I gotta say. And I'm just showing you guys this because I want you guys to see that I'm here to help you guys. Okay?
After a push like this, we're expecting some sort of exhaustion. Let's be honest.
Let's go.
GJ is gonna
Let's go.
right? So
let's go.
I'm looking for sells potentially for GJ, and I'll keep you guys.
Let's freaking go. Let's go.
Tomorrow we'll have some nice push to the downside.
Let's go.
And I'll let you know, right? So maybe London sesh, this thing's just gonna melt.
Let's freaking go, guys. Let's go. If you guys enjoy that, smash that like button. You see it in the flesh right there, guys.
And then yeah, and then we'll get on a pullback, and then now we know that the overall direction is to the downside. Obviously, you know, nothing's 100%, but you know what my bias is on GJ. Ranging market, we're at the top of this range. Overall bearish sentiment, 4-hour time frame, quite significant. Want to see a strong sell momentum to the downside. We are getting bearish candles already formed, so just my overall bias is sells to the downside. Obviously, you know, nothing's 100%.
Right, Adam, thanks, goodbye. Let's go.
So, Benchexy, one last question. Are the fucking ashy candlesticks good to trade on?
All right, so that was that, and as you guys can see, GJ completely melted, exactly as I predicted before we went to bed yesterday, and before we finished our live stream yesterday. I wanted to show you guys that example, show you the value that I provide to you guys every single day, and as you guys know, I do come in here, and I do this to help you guys out. You know what I mean? As much as possible. That's my whole objective, guys. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to pinpoint these opportunities in the markets when you see them. So if you guys enjoyed that, guys, beautiful, beautiful setup. Let me know in the chat box you guys understood that setup, how I saw that, why I saw price melting. So let's go. Okay, we got a couple more people joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the family, guys. So, okay, so Franklin says if PPI is more, then what will the effect be, and will it fall if PPI rises? To be completely honest with you, I focus mainly on technical analysis. I don't really focus on the news. I focus on what price is telling me currently. So I don't really, when it comes to news, I don't really focus on how that's going to affect it, because news is a hit or miss, right? How that could affect price. So yeah. Focus on the aftermath. Focus on the story that the candles leave behind after the news. And then you'll be able to safely make your profits. Guys, you saw how we were able to predict. I told you guys before I left on the live stream from last night, which I did come on for you guys, and we were able to catch. We could have easily, and I had my level set here at 99 pips, but actually price went all the way down to 125 pips, a little bit further, actually 133. In the flesh, guys. You guys saw that? Pretty sick. All right, so we got a couple questions, couple more people joining the family, guys. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate y'all. We've got Franklin here. So you're gonna open trades before news? No. So I like to trade after the news. So maybe later on in the future I'll probably do some trades before the news with you guys, but I don't. A lot of you guys are new and you're starting out, and I don't want you guys to over trade or over risk anything, and then God forbid, it just sucks. You know what I mean? The amount of times I hear people blow their accounts and stuff, you don't want them to go through that. I kind of want you guys to just learn, take it easy, right? Little by little, I do show you guys trades. So when you're live here with me and I see something in the markets, I will let you know. Also, guys, if you guys haven't already, I do have a Telegram group. So make sure you guys click the link below this video description. I've got a Telegram group there where we, I share my analysis there as well. And you guys are able to even just chat and show kind of what you're looking at and stuff like that. So, yeah, you can click the link. I put it in the chat box there to join our free Telegram group, Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join, guys. Let's go. Also, make sure you guys join the family. And those of you that are just joining right now, make sure you hit the little notification bell, okay? Don't forget about that. That way you get notified when I'm live. Let's go, let's go. Hey, Vivi, let's go, Vivi. We dabbing. Let's go, we dabbing. All right, so let's continue, guys. So yeah, as you guys saw, GJ went in our absolute favor. Kind of anything below this level here, I'm gonna start looking for sells. Now keep in mind, we are on the 1 hour, so even if we narrow it down to the 30-minute, let me take this off now. I personally would want to minimize my risk as much as possible. So I would probably even like look at, to be honest with you guys, I would probably be looking at even just getting in here on a sell anywhere here. Even if we get a reaction of this level, because I know when price comes back down to this level, it's gonna react to it again, right? Take a look here. Yeah, 129 pips. Keep our stop loss nice and tight. A 30 pip stop loss. Yeah, target like these lows over here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Usually one or two. I don't. I don't like to trade too much, guys. If you over trade or you take too much trades, you're gonna lose your money. Welcome, welcome. Couple new members joining the family. Welcome to the family, guys. right, let's move on. Let's take a look at other pairs here. So we see GBP odd also pushing above this level of structure. So we saw buy setups above this level of structure. So we got a push to the upside. Gotta wait for a pullback, and then we should be able to get in on this GBP odd pair as well. As you guys could see, I was expecting a push up and then a pullback. So we got that push break above this level of structure. We were looking at this yesterday. Also, GBP CAD, we got that break above. So now we just got to wait for price to pull back. And then if we are able to reject this level here of support here, if we get a rejection and prices failing to break below, then we can expect a continuation to the upside. All right. All right, so that's GBP CAD. Let's take a look at, so Euro US, 4 hours. So we are getting that pullback. So I want to see price hold here. If price hold this level of support, then we're looking for buys. $44 pips. Yeah, this could be a nice counter trend trade, but a nice pullback to this level, which I'm expecting, because long term I'm expecting sells up at this level here. So this would be a good trade to take, guys. We just want to see rejection of this level, which we kind of are. So let's go, guys. Okay. Want to see a rejection. I want to see price hold this level of support. If it fails to hold this level of support, then it validates this trade. We just need to see rejection though. So we're not seeing rejection yet. What I mean by rejection, for those that don't know, is kind of like these candle wick rejections here. Do you see that? We've got 3 candle wick rejections here. That's what I want to see over here. Right? You see these, you see how price came back down and then rejected here 3 times? That's what I want to see over here. So I don't want to get in just yet. This is a pair that we can potentially look at for buys. So we are on the 15-minute 720. So lots of potential for buys on Euro US. So we'll keep an eye out on this. Euro JPY. So we finally got a break below, guys. We got that strong momentum push to the downside. We are on the 30-minute. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, kind of see where we're at. Yeah, so okay, cool. So we've fallen below this level of support. So that's good. So we just want to see a it's retesting right now, which is good. So I want to see price come back up to this level. Around here. Yeah. So we are on the 1 hour, guys, expecting some sort of a pullback to this level of structure. And then a continuation to the downside. In the meantime, we can kind of narrow it down to the 15. Probably get into a counter trend trade. This is Euro JPY, guys. Franklin, LeBoy, we've got what's your take on NASDAQ and US 30? Let's take a look. So we're at this level of support. Obviously, we got a strong push to the downside. It's funny enough, I was expecting price to push down, not that far. I was probably expecting it to come down to this level here, to be honest. But obviously, we had some news yesterday, so price broke well below that level. And so now it's holding this level of support here. You can see that. I'm kind of expecting some sort of a push back up. But I also want to see price respect this level here first. If we start seeing price respect this level here of support, then we could start slowly expecting a recovery. But at the meantime, I think it's just going to be ranging for a bit, and then we'll get that push to the upside. We just need to see that strong momentum push to the upside. If we fail to see a strong momentum push above, then I'm looking for a break of this structure to for shorts, for sells, if it's failing to hold this level of support. So yesterday we were looking at some potential buy setups. It did end up pushing in our favor, but then price obviously melted back down. So it seems like it is overall weak. It did push above, like I said, in our favor, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so it seems like it's not even holding the support. It's not even respecting that support at all. Obviously, it is a 30 minutes, so I don't typically like to put support levels there because price really won't respect it. To be honest, it's not an area that price really respects that much. A higher time frame, key levels are much more significant. Overall, to be honest with you, I think it's just going to be ranging. It's going to be stuck here in this range for quite some time. If we do get a strong momentum push below this level of structure here, then we're looking for clean sells for sure. Looking at sells below this level of structure. So it's just ranging right now, to be honest. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple new family members joining us, guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me if you guys enjoy these live streams. All right. Let's take a look here. Got a couple more comments here. Chat then, bro, please check GU. All right, we'll take a look at GU for you. All right, so we're looking at GBP US. We're at this level of structure here. We were looking at that. Okay, so this is well below before the news. So GU, let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what price is doing on the 4 hour. So GU, it seems like we did get that slight push back up. And you can see that wick rejection here. So this is the 4 hour. So just to understand the overall direction of the markets, guys, we could see that price has rejected this level of structure. which if we look back, it is quite significant. Price has reacted to this level in the past, but not only that, we got that wick rejection. So I'm expecting GBP US for a continuation to the downside once more, and then possibly form some sort of a double bottom at this level of structure here, potentially, but we won't know. So as of right now, short-term wise, I'm expecting a push down for GU. For 1 hour candles looking pretty bearish. I just want to see this candle close bearish, and then I probably would expect, if you look at the 15-minute, a continuation to the downside. If this candle closes bearish, possibly to this level here. That level here. $20 pip stop. 30 pips. I mean, it's not huge. Not my type of trade, to be honest. But just like a quick example of what you could be looking at for GU. A roll, today's reversal day, bro. Yeah, for sure. 100%. Yeah, 100%. So I'm saying short term, probably like price will come down here. Come back up. You guys feel me? You guys see what I'm saying? After a push like this, we are at a major level of structure. See that this is a major level. So price has respected this level of support quite significantly. So we are not looking for sells long terms. For GBP US or any GBP pair right now is looking pretty good. GBP odd as well. We got that push that we wanted, push to the upside, and a strong momentum. So we're just waiting for a pullback, and then we should look for more buys. But in terms of GBP US, yeah, probably just short term, some sort of slight pullback. And then this level, I know price is going to react to this level, so it's probably going to reject it once more because we are getting that full break above. And then if we look at it differently as well too, if we look at the 15-minute, let me clear the charts here for you guys. If we look at the 15-minute, and you guys are going to see it much more clear here. Actually, you know what, let's do the 30-minute. That's much cleaner. All right, so we know that on the higher time frames, this level here of structure is quite a significant level of support, right? On the higher time frames, we know that. So not only that, we had a strong push to the downside. We expect price to exhaust after a strong push like this to the downside. Even though it is news, we expect price to exhaust, take a break, and pull back, right? So we are getting that pullback, which is good. But what I want to see is price break above this level of structure. So if price is not breaking above this level of structure, I'm not really looking for any good potential buy setups yet. I would say buy setups above this level of structure is safe to say. Now, like I said, price could pull back to this level of structure over here, okay, before it pushes higher, right? Because sometimes price could be doing some sort of like a double top here, rejects it once more, comes back down here, and then it pushes to the upside, right? It's more of a complex pullback. That's a potential there, guys. So something to keep an eye out. The market will do anything it really wants at any given time. We just have to be smart with how we get in and out of the markets, okay? Always manage your risk. You guys understanding that? Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Really appreciate it, guys. Roll, welcome, bro, welcome. Chat that, and I hope you understood that explanation there, guys. If you guys understood that explanation, smash that like for me. Let's go. Yeah, so overall sentiment for USD JPY was sells. Unfortunately, we didn't get that pullback. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't, and that's fine. So we knew that it was gonna fall anyways, but we're expecting a pullback for sure. So no problem. Lots of trade opportunities in the works for USD JPY. Take a look at the 4 hours, see what the market is to. Okay, so we knew that we were at this double top. Okay, guys, so take this in. Let's go up to the daily here. Let's go. I'm about to show you guys something pretty cool, so make sure you guys stick around here and listen closely to what I'm going to show you for USD JPY. If you guys are enjoying these live streams, make sure you guys smash that like button, guys. Appreciate y'all. Welcome to the family. We got a couple new members joining the family, guys. Welcome. We are here every day, guys. Every single day. Let's get it. All right, so that's a level that I'm expecting price to potentially come down. Look at this previous level. Look at this. No, that wouldn't really count, but that's just the low here. Anyways, the most important thing is we want to focus on current price action. We saw it more on the 4 hour. You could see like that upwards momentum. I'm expecting USD JPY for price to come all the way down here, at least at minimum. So we are looking at the 4 hour, guys. Remember, the 4 hour is really important, guys, because the 4 hour, okay, we are able to understand the overall direction of the market. I like to look at the daily as well, because the daily will give us a clear indication as where price is right now in the market. And then the 4 hour just gives us so much more clarity as to what the overall direction is of the market and what direction it's currently planning on taking. Right now, as we speak, price is reacting to this level of structure here. And it seems like it's trying to hold its level of support here, and it's struggling a little bit. So we are seeing a doji candle form here on the 4 hour. What I want to see is that candle close bearish below. I want this candle to on the 4 hour to break below and close bearish, breaking this structure level here, and then targeting the neckline of this double top here. Once we break this neckline, then we're looking for a clean sell to this level here of structure. So lots of great potential to the downside. We are forming that double top on USD JPY. Guys, this is crucial. It's important to understand that. Once you understand that, then we can start looking for clean sells and a continuation to the downside. You guys with me? You guys understanding that? Let's go. If you guys understood that, smash that like button for me. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Couple new family members joining us. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Happy to have you here. Excited to see a couple more people joining. Let me know in the chat box, guys. Don't be shy. Let me know in the chat box if you guys are understanding this explanation. So we've got a double top forming here on the 4 hour for USD JPY, which is kind of why I was looking for sells once we were at the highs here. And then I kind of narrowed it down to the 30-minute, and then I was like, okay, if we get a break of this level of structure here, so you can see support. If we get a break, then we're looking for clean sells, and price did go down. Now, however, we are forming a double bottom here on the 30-minute. Not as significant, I'll be honest with you, but we do have to keep in mind that probably price may pull back and retest probably this level of structure around here before a continuation to the downside. So we are on the 15-minute right now on USD JPY, looking like a double bottom right now, but to be honest, this could also be forming a descending wedge. As long as we kind of stick to this descending wedge, guys, we could be possibly looking for some continuation of sells, which is what I want. So let's keep an eye out on this, guys. On the 15-minute, we are seeing a descending wedge. So this is a bearish pattern formation. So I will keep you guys in the loop in terms of what happens. So make sure you guys are already part of the family so you guys know all these trades I take, and I take them live. And even if we're not live, I do update you guys in my Telegram group. So let's go. Mir, understood, Pedro. Thank you. Hey, no worries, man. That's what I'm here for, guys. I hope you guys are learning. That's the most important thing. As long as you guys are learning, and I appreciate the support and the love I've received, guys. We've got an awesome community, an awesome family. So if you guys are new and you're looking to take your trading to the next level, or you just want to understand the market's much more simplified approach, then that's the way I teach. That's the way I teach all my subscribers and students and people that join me. So join the family. So we are a family. We're a community of, you know, positive, like-minded individuals that are just looking to, you know, focus on their trading journey. Yeah. So if this is you guys, make sure you guys are already part of the family and joined. We killed that. Yeah, we killed that GJ trade yesterday. That was on our pre-London session live stream. All right, we're Mr. Amy. We've got US 30 and NASDAQ. Yes, US 30 and NASDAQ, man. I already went over that. Also, guys, if you guys do miss out the live streams or whatever the case is, don't worry. I do post all my live streams. They go live on the channel, so you can always watch it after. Because I understand, you know what I mean? Some people, you have to go to work. You don't have the time to join on the live stream sometimes. So I've had people where they always go back and watch the live stream. So go back and watch, and you'll learn. Trust me. Like I showed you guys yesterday, like this trade here, literally for GJ, you guys could see I was predicting GJ was going to melt. Literally predicting GJ was going to melt. You could see it right there, right? I'm literally talking about it, right? And you guys could see it here.
Market, we're at the top of this range. Overall bearish sentiment, 4-hour time frame, quite significant. Want to see a strong sell momentum to the downside. We are getting bearish candles already formed, but just my overall bias is sells. All right, Adam, thanks. Goodbye. Let's go. Fantax, see you. One last question.
You guys could see that as it is, and if we go back here on GJ, you'll see that my prediction on GJ was sell. So this is our GJ. You could see that price melted completely to the downside, exactly as predicted. If I narrow it down to, like, let's say the 1 hour, so you guys could see it much more clear. This is the exact same pair we were analyzing yesterday. Okay, I see it. And I think we made over, I think it was like 100 and, it reached 133 pips to the downside. So, so yeah, guys, it's crucial to always look at the markets. By the way, this was a pre-London live stream that we went yesterday. Do come on live to support you guys as much as possible. Obviously, you guys know I'm here every morning, but sometimes I do come in the evenings to help you guys, you know, and support you as much as I can. Really, really cool trade went in our favor as well. So we'll keep an eye out, guys, on a couple different trades. If I'm in anything, you guys know that I'm. You guys know that. So yeah. So anyways, I'll keep you guys in the loop. In the meantime, any pairs that I see, we'll kind of go from there. Hey, Eddie, welcome, Eddie. Eddie's already part of the family here. Laugh a lot. I was taking my kid to school and had a 1-lot entry at 165. No, that's awesome, man. Did you miss it or did you take it? You probably missed it, right? It's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good. Don't worry. We'll, like I said, we're here, guys. I'm here every single day. I'm not going anywhere. Because you know what? You gotta love the community, and in community and unity, there's support. You know what I mean? And you know, that's one of the biggest things you need when you're learning to trade, right? When you're just starting out in the markets, you need that support. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Welcome, welcome. We got a couple more people joining us here. Oh, nice, nice, Eddie. Yeah, yeah. If you guys are also new, make sure you guys join our Telegram. We've got an awesome community there on our Telegram. So yeah. All right, guys, we're getting a few more comments here, guys. Welcome, welcome. Couple new family members joining the family. Also, guys, those of you that are just joining us, make sure you guys don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you do get notified when we're live, because I do sometimes do surprise live streams in the evenings. Let's go. Okay, so we've got a couple more people. DJ Cruiser, does PPI results affect crypto? Possibly, but I really, like I said, I don't really focus so much on the news. It's good to be aware of the news, guys. Okay, but I don't really trade the news. Just focus on the technicals of it, technicals aspects. Obviously, some news will affect negatively, and it could affect crypto as well negatively. We just got to keep an eye out on it, right? So, not sure, haven't really looked at PPI and how it would affect crypto, so don't want to make something up for you. Lemon water, man. Shit's healthy. Mm-hmm. Faith Sunday. Let's go, brother. I'm just joining for the first time, bro. Hey, bro, tell me about NASDAQ 100. All right, bro, let's take a look. It says Faith is from Nigeria. Hey, welcome, brother. Welcome. Not sure if you're part of the family, but welcome either way. Make sure you guys join. But yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ. I haven't seen NASDAQ in a while. So GJ is melting in our favor. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. All right, I told you guys, getting a clean entry at the top. So even if we risk right now, getting on the entry here, we're already in profits technically right now. So GJ looking like nice clean sells. Gonna update the Telegram group, guys. Give me 1 sec. If you guys haven't joined our Telegram group, make sure you guys click the link in the video description to join the Telegram group, guys. It's absolutely free to join Blessed Traders Academy. And yeah, super excited to have you guys there as well. So if you guys didn't get in GJ, I would probably get in GJ now. Just always remember to manage your risk, guys. Please manage your risk, guys, on GJ. So you guys can see everything, all the information on GJ's there, okay? All right. Want to see exactly where we could. Yeah, so we could. We have so much potential to actually come to these lows over here, guys. Gotta be patient though. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So it has a lot of potential to go down below. We just have to be very, very patient. Take time because of the 1 hour. But if it does, guys, that's like 130 pips on GJ. So very, very possible. We just got to be patient. Make sure we manage our risk, guys. Okay. If we start noticing that price is coming really close to our stop loss, take a majority of it, 80% off the table if you want. Or if I'm noticing that it's coming up really, really high and it wicks above this level of structure, then I probably want to get out. So I'd probably look to put the stops at like 30, probably 35 pips. So let me update this for you guys. So 165, 858. And TP, I say TP1 would probably be the lows over here. 366 pips. That is 164. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We got a couple new members joining us, guys. Sorry, guys. As you guys could see, you could kind of see what I'm doing here, anyways. But just kind of sharing everything here for our Telegram, guys. B2 164 2. All right, guys. We'll let GJ do its thing in the meantime. So just remember to manage your risk, guys. Okay, price could at any given time do something. So you just got to be very, very cautious. Okay, we want to see price hold this level of rejection, and then we can expect a continuation to the downside. Okay. Eddie Melton, yes. You guys understood that explanation. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Appreciate it, guys. It does support the channel. Okay, so we'll let it do its thing there, and then we'll kind of continue on and see what other pairs we're looking at here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at GJ right now. Even on the higher time frames, we are getting overall bearish sentiment. Just gotta wait for that closure. All right, so we'll focus on something else here. So GBP odd, we are getting a nice clean push to the upside, which is nice. We did expect a break above, so we are getting that break above. We just got to wait for price to come back down as well. Let's take a look here. Possibly to this level, we could start getting some sort of, we'll probably get like a wick out and then it'll start coming back. And then we can get on sells too. But we should expect some sort of a pullback as well to this level. Yeah, gold's just ranging right now. We just want to see price hold this level of support for gold. I want to see gold. Gold is going to range for a little bit, but I want to see it hold this level of support, which is the most important thing. Yeah, US 30, we went over that. Yeah, so same thing here with NAS. So what I'm expecting here is I want to see price hold this level support. If it's failing to hold this level support, which it seems it is, I'm looking for sells. And it's looking really bearish, to be honest with you guys. So we'll see what happens. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Couple new members joining, guys. Yeah. Got New York Open coming. Let's go. Let's go. All right, couple new members joining here. We've got Sir HDFC Life Share per view 5. I'm not sure what you're trying to say, man. For buying, not sure. Sorry, man, I can't understand that. Amir looks like EU is holding that support level. Nice, nice. Robin, hi, sir. Hello. Sir, sure, Dow Jones level for intraday. Okay. We were just going over that, like I said. So price seems like it's very, very weak. So to be honest with you, I'm probably going to be expecting sell shortly for Nasdaq and US 30. Yeah, so we're not holding this level of support. It's not really looking good, guys. So that's good. We're looking for potential sells on the 1 hour. Yeah, so we broke below that level of structure. US 30 looking like sells. Welcome, welcome. All right. Got a couple more people joining the family, guys. Welcome, welcome. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, guys, so you get notified every single time I'm live. I do surprise you guys, and I come in the evening sometimes. But if you're just looking to be here every time I'm here every single day, Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Let's go. All right, couple more people, couple more comments here. Let me see. There's more comments here. So, Chris, sir, what's PPI? It's news. U.S. news. Okay, so Face Sunday, thanks, bro, for the NASDAQ 100 analysis. I would be expecting sells. Yes. That's just kind of my outlook. Obviously, you know, nothing's 100%, but we could see that it's failing to hold this level of support. So to me, it's looking like look at that. It's just breaking below it. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. It's just looking super bearish. Probably my next closest target level will probably be around here. Or Nas. But also, like I said, we have to keep in mind that price could fake out as well too. I always say this, guys. I always say this. Don't go by your emotions just because price. We want to make sure that price holds this level of support. If it's gonna break this level of support, it's retesting now. So we're on the 15-minute. What I want to see is even on the 15-minute, if price comes back up, I want to see a rejection of this level here. Okay, and then a continuation down because we could see it's kind of starting to come back up. So it could be just a fake out for all we know. So we got to keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. And how are we going to avoid a fake out is being patient. Okay, being patient with the markets and waiting for that confirmation, waiting for that pullback, waiting for that candle closure. That's how we're going to be successful in the markets. Obviously, no one has a 100% win ratio, but that's just stuff that we have to consider. Okay, if you guys are understanding that, guys, let me know and smash that like button for me. Also, if you guys are just joining us, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group. The link is in the video description to join the Telegram. It's absolutely free to join. We've got our free Telegram there that you can join us. We do share analysis and ideas, and you guys are able to join there with the community. I do share some signals there, not all the time, because obviously, like, you know, but if I do see something, mainly in my live streams, that's where I share my main analysis. Gotta love the water with lemon, man. It's refreshing. You have some nice fresh water. Gold still stuck in the range. GJ. Weakness in the market for GJ. Let's go. Remember to manage your risk, guys, always, okay? You guys know, you've seen the trades I've taken, you've seen all that type of stuff. You guys know you know, my analysis and my take on the markets, but always manage your risk, guys. Please manage your risk. Please don't overtrade. It's really important. That's what's going to determine your success, okay? Let's go, guys. Okay, so we'll leave that. I'll keep you guys up to date with our GJ if we have to get out or whatever, or if we have to continue. We are getting bearish candles, so nothing to worry here. 30-minute, We've got 3 bearish candles forming. That's pretty good. Strong bearish sentiment. 1 hour looks good. Looks bearish to me. Good. A little bit of indecision on the 4 hour. That's fine. Remember, even if we just hit TP1, take your profits and run, guys. So we'll keep an eye out on that. We'll look at that pair in the meantime. So yeah, so USD JPY, we are forming this double bottom, but it seems like it is rejecting this level here. So if it is rejecting this level, then to me it's forming some sort of a descending wedge, which is kind of bearish. So we're kind of at this level where it's like it could break up. So right now it's forming this double bottom, but it could invalidate it if it comes back down here. But it could also be a triple bottom, right? So we have to just kind of be cautious and see what price does. Could be eventually looking for some sort of a pullback to this highs over here. So before it continues to go down lower. So price for USD JPY is we just gotta wait it out right now, guys. I mean, we could get in, but the problem is right now, the fact that it has this double bottom at this main level here of structure, to me, there still could be a possibility where price could push back up, okay? And then finally retest these highs over here, okay? This level here, use it as resistance, and then finally break below, right? So something to be aware of, guys, right? Yeah, something to be aware of. That's something that we do have to consider. Sir, your madame is so hot. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, so guys, are you guys understanding that explanation that I have for USD JPY? Please let me know in the chat box below. Is that understood? Are you guys understanding what I'm seeing? Let me know in the chat box. Also, smash that like button if you enjoyed that explanation. USD JPY, that's what we got in the books. Do we understand now why gold is ranging and there's no trade? Do you understand that, guys? We are ranging. We are looking for a breakout, and usually when price is ranging or consolidating, we are looking for a break to the upside or to the downside. And as of right now, we're ranging, so we're just looking for a breakout. Breakout could be below, and if it is below, then it confirms this kind of bearish flag that I've been looking at. If it doesn't break below, then it invalidates this bearish flag formation, and we're just looking for price to come back up, retest these levels, and then maybe start continuing to push higher. But right now it's super bearish after that push to the downside, right? So we are at a major level of structure. Okay, this is a level that price has respected previously multiple times. Okay, this is a level of support. So we do have to factor that in. It's not just get in sells because it's looking like a bearish flag and this strong momentum push to the downside. Okay, let's get on a sell. No, price is ranging. We know that it's ranging. We have to be patient as traders. We have to be cautious and kind of, you know, take the approach on the markets with ease. You know what I mean? And trust me, when you approach the markets that way, you will be successful, guys. All right, let's go. Let's go. Perfect, Eddie. Yes. Okay, perfect. All right. I'm feeling the music today. All right, guys, give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna get some water and I will be right back. So let's, we're gonna continue on. So make sure you guys stick around, okay? Amir Solomon, we've got understood. Thank you, Pedro. Your trading analyses are on point and very informative and helpful. It adds to my confluence and helps me gain more trading confidence. Amir, I appreciate you. I really appreciate that, and that makes me very happy. So appreciate the love and support, guys. I'm happy that I'm able to, you know, create some sort of an impact or help you guys in any way possible with your trading. So Thank you, Amir. Appreciate it. Okay, guys, so I'll give you guys a few minutes. Please stick around. Make sure you guys kind of analyze your charts in the meantime, and I will be right back, okay?
You heard? ¿Qué más es?
All right, guys, I am back. Thank you so much for waiting. Sorry for that delay there. Just had to make my matcha tea. All right, so second. All right, so USDJPY, we are getting, okay, so remember that descending wedge I was talking about, right? Something to have an eye out, guys, so. Okay. Just give me 1 second here. Hold. It got wiped out. Yeah, so I gotta fix your chart so charts up a little. All right, let's take a look at our GJ. Yes, GJ is looking good. All right, guys, welcome back. GJ is melting in our favor, as you guys could see. 15-minute, 30-minute, looking good. 4-hour, even though 1 hour is looking nice and bearish. That's kind of what we want to see. Bentek, welcome. I know you're already part of the family, man, so welcome. He's asking if odd USD looking like that. Let's take a look at odd USD. Let's see. If you guys got in on entry, guys, please move your stop losses close to break even, so that way, if anything, we're pretty much at a risk free trade. So I would move my stop losses to entry right now. So if you guys got in on GJ, please move your stop losses to break even, because if price starts pulling back and it wicks us out, that's fine. There's lots of trade opportunities to get in, but not only that, if we are confident in this trade going down below, then we are confident that price won't be retesting this level once more. So it is pretty bearish, I'll be quite honest. So if you want, just leave like maybe like a 7-pip stop or something like that, but just reduce your stop loss, okay? Because if I see price come back up to these highs here, like let's say at a 30-pip stop loss or something like that, then I'm not looking for sells. I don't want to be in it, okay? Let's go, guys. So we've got odd US. I'm gonna take a look at odd US here for Ventec. Got a request here. Welcome. A couple new members joining the family here, so let's go. It was this one here, yeah, odd US. Okay, so go back up. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna fix your chart, baby. Don't worry. All right, I'll fix that once we're done here. Okay. Yeah, we've got wifey also in this trade. I'm helping her with her charts. So and tech, no worries, brother, no worries. Lots of great opportunities all the time. You know that. So appreciate having you here. So okay, let's start with the 4-hour. We did get that push to the downside. And so kind of let's see what the market is at. Okay, so we are at a bottom of a range. All right, that's kind of where we're at right now. Bottom of a range. Guys, this is important. Let's clear the charts. Let's clear the charts here, guys. Let's start fresh. There's my daily. Okay, there's my daily. All right, let's clear the charts and kind of see what price is doing. Okay. All right. I need you guys to listen and focus and hear me out, okay? So what do we see here on the daily, right? We are on the daily time frame. And so we are seeing lower highs, okay? This is important. Why? Because this is telling us that the overall indication of where the market is going is bearish, right? We are seeing what? Lower highs create here lower highs, right? And lower lows. However, we have come to a level of structure where price has failed to create a new lower low. What does this mean? This means that price is potentially considering to change its overall direction. Mind you, if we get a break of structure here and it breaks below, I'm waiting for a retest of this structure and a continuation to the downside. Okay. It's kind of already also looking, if we get price hold this level off here. Yeah. So I mean, some people could say, oh, it looks like you could do like something like this too, right? So it's like, look at this channel, right? A descending channel. Price is holding this level of support here. If we get a break, then it looks like this, right? Something like this, right? Potential bottom of the channel, right? So there's so many ways to look at the markets, guys, but you also have to kind of understand that we are failing to create a new low. Okay, so that's the first indication there. If we get a break of this structure, I'm looking for sell setups on odd US. Okay, that's my overall bias, right? Now, if we get a break above this level structure, I'm looking for buy setups. Okay, I understand this is the daily, but this is on the overall bigger picture, right? These are like heavy buys, heavy sells. Okay, then we narrow it down, so we know we're at the bottom of this range. So we're gonna start looking. How's it going? Oh, nice. You're in profits. Okay. Yeah, apparently GJ is in profits. We've got Eddie here melting. Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. Remember TP1 where we have it marked off. So remember what I told you guys. Please move your stop losses to entry. Make sure that you move your stop loss over to entry. Okay, we are in profits right now, but we want to be responsible and manage our risk. Okay, guys, that's crucial. Okay, so we've got that done. Let's go back to the explanation here. We were looking at odd US. So now that we know that anything below this level, we're looking for sell setups on the higher time frames, like the daily. But what we're looking at is for price to hold this level of support. If we're able to hold this level of support, then I'm going to start looking within this range, because it is technically a range here. Okay, ranging area. It's not really a range, but it's within the bottom of this area here because it failed to create a new lower low. Okay, we are looking for potential buys, right? Just not yet though, because even if we narrow it down to the 4 hour, this is still pretty bearish to me, and it's just not creating any sort of like, you know what I mean? It's not giving me much. You know what I mean? Like I could see maybe, okay, a double bottom here, right? Clear the charts again. So it's a double bottom formation here. I guess a break of this neckline would be kind of a buy indicator to me. So short term, we're looking for buys above this level of structure. Wait for the retest. Strong momentum push. Wait for a retest. Any continuation to the upside. I'd say these highs would be my next level, target level here. We would be looking at 77 pips. Stops at 20 pips. Stop. Let's go. What do you guys think of that, guys? Let me know if you guys understood that explanation. If you did, smash that like button for me. And let me know in the chat box if you guys understand that explanation on odd US. Why would I be looking at buys? Because we are at a major level of structure here on the 4 hour. Major level here. Right? Okay. All right. Ventec, great explanation. Yes. Of course, yes. Thank you. We'll lead. We've got We'll lead here asking us a question. USD CAD. Waleed, welcome to begin with. Let me introduce myself, Pedro. We do trading here. You seem like a new guy. Welcome to the family. Is it? Yeah. I'll organize your chart, don't worry. Yeah, just write it out, guys. Remember, stops at entry, and then we should be good. Let wifey's trade pan out as well too. Okay, let's take a look at USDJPY, guys. Let's go back to USDJPY. Let's see what it's forming. If it's respecting this. Do you remember I told you guys it kind of looked like a double bottom, but it seemed like it started to break below that neckline, so it invalidated the double bottom. It seems like USDJPY, we had a close, super bearish candle close on the 15-30 minute is looking pretty bearish. So what I'm seeing, to be honest, is this descending wedge pattern is looking pretty good. So what I want to see is a break, probably to this area here, and then just wait for that pullback. But if we start getting the next candle, let's say starts pushing like this, bearish, the next one, let's say the next 30 minute, then we can get on a sell quick here. We don't have to wait for the pullback. We just got to be on it. Then we could set our stops like above this level here, like a 35 pip stop. Set our targets here at 60 pips, 61 pips. Okay. This one's a little bit more risky, but it is what it is. Okay, so we've got Waleed here, USD CAD. Let's take a look at USD CAD here for Waleed. All right, let's take a look here. Let's clear these charts. Start fresh. All right, let's start here as well too. So we're on the daily, guys. We have been slightly trending upwards. Okay, we've been getting this upwards trend. We are at a kind of like a major level here, I'd say. So I want to see what price will do. We are at the highs here, so we have been trending upwards. If we let's take a look here, daily. Yeah. So if we keep if we reject this level here of structure here on the 4-hour, then I'm looking for sells. So if we do get a rejection here of this level of structure, then I'm looking for price to come back down. Probably it'll come back down here and retest once more, and then we'll get some sort of a like double top formation like this, and then have price melt. If we get a break above this level of structure, we wait for price to close, and then we wait for a pullback. We could probably get on a sell on the pullback down to this level again, and you guys know what's next. So this is the 4-hour as well too, so it's quite significant. Even if we narrow it down to, bless you, even if we narrow it down to the 30-minute, 15, again, right now there's no really trade on USD CAD right now. So all we know is that we are at the top of this level, and it is a level of significance even on the daily. If you look on the daily, it's quite significant as well too. So it is a major level of structure. So something to keep in mind, guys. Okay. Welcome. Got a couple new members also joining us right now. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Appreciate y'all. Waleed, welcome, Waleed. I'm not sure if you're part of the family already, but welcome. I hope you enjoyed that. So Yeah, thank you. Okay, well, lead, great explanation. Perfect, man. Excited to hear that. Glad it could be helpful. Okay, so that is USD CAD. Let's take a look at Euro CAD as well. So Euro CAD, we're still stuck in this range, guys, on the daily. We've got Ventec. Is scalping with indicators a good strategy? Yes and no. Depends. Like, depends on what indicators you're referring to. You know what I mean? Like, even then, it's like you guys have seen, right? Like, you guys have seen the trades we've taken and stuff like that. Like, you know, indicators just help with like confirmations. Like, do you see that? Like, but at the same time, like if you see, like, for example, this indicator here, well, scalping, it's tough to say. I don't really do scalp trades as much. Like, I'm a day trader. I like to get in and out of the markets within anywhere between, like, you know, it could be like 30 minutes to like max 2-3 hours, max 2 hours. I want to be out. You know what I mean? I want to run with my money and call it a day. So, scalping, it's tough because scalping, the problem is with scalping. So, like, even like, let's take a look at the 5-minute right now. So we know where, let's kind of, let me show you kind of something. So we're at the top of this range here. Essentially, we're retesting almost the top of this range here. So we'll probably looking for like sells on the 5-minute. The problem with scalping that I find is the confirmation of price for sure going down is a little bit, like, I find that these levels aren't respected as much, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So you just have to be even more cautious and stuff like that. RSI, yeah, RSI is reliable. MACD, yeah, you know what I mean? So it just really depends. You have to have a strategy in place though, right? And you have to retest, backtest, all that type of stuff. Always backtest, practice. So, you know, you'll find your edge, trust me. So there's nothing wrong if you do use indicators and you find that that does help you, then by all means, you know, go for it. You know, everyone has their own edge, right? Like, I like using the 20 SMA and the 50 SMA together when they cross. You know what I mean? But, you know, everyone's different, right? So very, very powerful. You know what I mean? Like, I, for example, let's say, for example, here, like, this is not the greatest example, but I'd say like a quick scalp here. We had a push here to this side here. This is the 5-minute, by the way. So we know we're kind of moving up to the upside. So we had price pull back here. We had a strong momentum push, had a slight pullback to this level of structure, right? We could mark this off here, and then we could kind of just get in on a quick buy here. We see prices retesting, risk it a little bit, risk it for the biscuit, and then we just kind of set our stops here, 10 pip stop, and then just target the highs over here for like a 20 pip gain. So, I mean, yes and no, right? So there's different ways to go about the market, to be honest. And then even here too, like if we look here, this could be a quick sell too. So we are rejecting this level here. This could be a quick sell, right? If this candle closes bearish, then it's gonna probably come back down to this level, this lows over here. But again, 20 pip move, set our stops like 5 pips or something like that. Or this wicks high. Yeah, so that's like about 6 pips, right? For a sell. We are at the top essentially of the range, right? So 15-minute, yeah. Ventec, when I look for scalp for price being overbought or oversold, look for strong pullback and catch. Yeah, 5 to 10 on the high amount to buy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, there's lots of opportunity for sure. I've scalped before. When I first started, I used to scalp a lot actually. But yeah, no, it's oh shoot, man, that Amazon Alexa clock, scary, man. It talks on its own. Welcome. Couple more people joining us here. Welcome to the family. All right. All right, guys. So it seems like price has come up here. It is slightly pulling back. So it's up to you guys if you want to hold. Obviously, this is the 5-minute. So if you guys want to take some profits, you can. We are up say about 35 pips for GJ. So feel free to take profits, or if you want to ride it along, I think it still has a little bit more juice to come, at least to our TP1, which would be 61 pips. We are at 9 a.m. So let's see what. Okay, so this candle closed on the 15. Let's see how this reacts. If this candle starts kind of pushing up, then I would probably take my profits. Yeah. We'll see what price does. In the meantime, obviously, you guys, I hope you put your stop losses to break even, like I told you guys. Okay. Always manage your risk properly, guys. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Couple more people joining us, guys. Make sure also, you guys, if you guys are just joining now, make sure you also join the Telegram. I will put the link right now in the chat group. You see a couple people joining here, so I will leave this in the chat group just so it's easier for you guys to find here. Okay. I do send my analysis on there as well, so that way you guys are able to, even when we're not live, you're able to kind of keep up with the trades that we are looking at. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems like it is still ranging after that push to the downside. Yeah, so Bitcoin did reject. All right, so we know that this is a level here that price is respecting. Okay. Also another level here. Yeah, price is respecting that level as well. Price is also respecting this. This right here is just a fake out, guys. Okay. I'm looking for Bitcoin to possibly retest these lows once more. Possibly. See how price reacts. I'll be pull back a little bit and then continue to come back down here and retest these lows over here at like 19, probably around there. We shall see. All right, so let's take a look at Ethereum. Similar with Ethereum. 4 hour. Yeah, so we had potential head and shoulders pattern formation. Price did break below after the head and shoulders, but then price came back up to this level of structure. We did get a rejection of this level of structure. Ethereum is looking pretty bearish to me, so I'm expecting Ethereum to possibly even. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. I'm not looking for buys for Ethereum unless it breaks above this level of structure here. No buys for Ethereum unless we break above this level. Okay, guys? And then sells, we're not looking for sells unless Ethereum breaks below this level of structure here. All right, you guys understanding that? Let me know in the chat box if you guys are understanding. Welcome, welcome. Euro CHF looks like it might retest lower lows. Could be short-term buy. Nice, Ventec. Let's take a look at that too. Amir with you, Pedro. Hey, let's go, brother. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. We're gonna take a look at Euro CHF here. We'll take advantage here. Yeah, GJ is going mad in our favor right now, guys. But let's take a look at the Jack. Let's take a look at GJ just before we continue here. Yeah, so our GJ trade is melting nicely. I think it's gonna most likely hit our TP1. Just gotta be patient, guys. Probably around 10 a.m. we'll see it reach our TP1. Overall, we've been able to reach nice 36 pips. Let's go. Already risk-free on this trade, so beautiful, beautiful turnout. So let's take a look at I think it was, what was it, USD CHF? No, Euro CHF. Okay. Bottom. No, that's CAD CHF. All right. There we go. Yeah, we could take a look at oil. Will just give me 1 second, right? We're gonna take a look at Euro CHF, and then we'll take a look at oil. See what's good with oil. All right. So 4-hour. Let me clear the charts here, by the way. Start with the daily here. Yeah, so here's what I see on the daily, and current price actions what I want to focus on. So we see that this is a level structure support. Okay. Long-term wise, this is kind of like high. And then we have been trending downwards. We've been creating those lower lows, lower highs. We did, however, push above previous high, create a new higher high, but we failed. Price kind of pushed back down. We failed to kind of hold support here. So this to me is crucial to see what price does basically here. That's going to determine what price is going to do. If price breaks below this level, we're basically continuing to trend downwards for Euro, CHF. If we narrow it down to the 4-hour, we are still trending downwards and we are at a major level of support. So what I want to see is I need a break above this level of structure here on the 4-hour for me to start considering buys, okay? I need to look for a break above that level. All right, you guys with me? You guys with me here? That's kind of what I'm expecting for Euro CHF. Anything below this level, we are looking for sell setups, okay? We got to wait for a retest as well, too. This is the 4-hour. 4-hour is looking somewhat bullish, actually, so I can expect a pullback to this area here. These highs over here. So even if we kind of narrow it down to like 15, 30 minute, say the 30 minute here, yeah, like we've got a decent potential setup here for buys. As long as price respects this level of support for Euro CHF, I could expect a short-term pullback to these highs over here. Let's take a look. Our entry here. Set our targets here, 31 pips. Set our stop loss. We could, oh yeah, we could do like a nice 10 pip stop, like tight. I think anything below that, like even a 12 pip stop is fine. We can set our 12 pip stop here. Look at that. You're risking 11 pips, 11 or 12, 11.9, 12 pips, and you're potentially going to make 31 pips. So that's a really, really good trade setup, guys. Short term, looking at a short term pullback to these level highs for USD CHF. Okay, so again, if price does fail to hold this level of support, it seems like it is kind of struggling to push below. So that is a good sign that price might continue to push higher. So as long as price respects this level of support and it holds this level of support and we're seeing a rejection of that area and we start seeing bullish candle forms, then we're looking for buy setups, okay? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let me know in the chat box if you guys understood that. Let's go. Waleed, let's take a look at oil for you. Just explaining here for Ventec, Euro CHF. Mm, 88. I haven't really traded oil in a long time, but it's looking pretty bullish, guys. Looks like an inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders, my guy. Inverse head and shoulders. Looking bullish to me, guys, for gold. Oil. Oil's looking bullish. Anything break above this level of structure, we're looking for clean buys. Anything below this level, we're definitely looking for sells here. You guys see what I'm saying? You guys understanding that for oil, what we can expect? Really? Maybe. That's good. You made some profits there. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what we've got for oil. Clean setup for oil. Seems like we are respecting this level of structure here, so As long as we get a break above this level of structure, I am looking for bias for oil. All right, guys, take a look at this. USD JPY also went in our favor. Completely melted, as I told you guys. USD JPY, we had that wedge pattern formation, descending wedge pattern, and price melted. We could still get in technically here, even on the pullback. So once we get a pullback, if you missed out, don't freak out. Just look for a rejection of this level of structure here. Okay, look for a rejection and then get in on sells at the top here again, and then go back down. Yeah, USD JPY, GBP JPY, lots of trade setups went in our favor, guys. So super excited for you guys if you did get in. We killed the markets this morning, guys. I think that's all for today. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I'm live. I come live every single day, Monday through Friday at 6:30 a.m. I also do surprise live streams in the evenings, dependent on what the market, like if I see a trade, I will hop in and let you guys know. Also, make sure you guys click all the links below in the video description and join our free Telegram group, Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. I do share my analysis on there, and I keep you guys up to date. And also, it's a nice community of traders that share their ideas in the chat group there. So make sure you guys click the link below in the video description. Also, follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and so on. Thank you so much, guys. I will catch you guys probably later today and tomorrow if you're not able to join us as well. So thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you all. Appreciate all the love and support. Bye for now.